okay na kayo this month of June. Sobrang activated ang fifth house, lalo na ng mga zodiac sign na sasabihin ko sa bandang dulo. Fifth house is the house of romance, the house of love. No? So kasi ang nakikita natin dito, parang meron kang mga collectives or collections of happiness, collections of events na parang ite-treasure mo no, sa iyong memories. And I feel like things are also moving no, into a different perspective wherein it's sort of like a positive moving forward and there is actually union. So the union in here is chances are these are more of harmonies. This is, sabihin natin, it may not be jumping off to, oh, tayo na uli. Well, at least it's going to move towards to, tulad ng sinabi ko, harmonies, getting along together, start of communications, no? Especially, no, again, I feel like the Gemini um cards are in here, siguro, no, sabihin ko na agad, Gemini is here. So, I think that this is one of the gifts. This can be you or your person, no? I think na ito yung magiging gift of reconciliation. Gift of sabihin natin fixing things, bridging the gap. Explanations, no? The Hanged Man, the Two of Wands, and the Three of Wands, and the Two of Wands. So meron fluctuations of energy. Am I going to do this? Because again, wala pa tayo sa June. So this is 10, 11 days prior June. So nandito pa siya sa energies of fluctuations. Your person might be seeing new perspective right now. Kaya nandito siya sa part na mag-aantay pa ba ako ng ilang araw or gagawin ko na ba to? So at least the person is having these thoughts or plans, no? Well, balikan nyo ako sa mga susunod na araw. If this is really going to happen, you might want to save this. Paano isi-save siguro? Click the share button tapos send nyo sa sarili nyo, no? Para at least ma-save nyo. Balikan nyo ako. Oy, 11-11. And I think ay, napakadaming synchronicities na nangyayari. Mag-wish ka na if your wish is really reconciliation. This is also the numbers of the twin flame connection. No? Napaka-significant, nangingilabot ako kasi yung the lovers, ang number niya is 11-11 na nakita ko, 11-11. Sumakto naman siya. Harmony is really deep within you. No, I mean, going to really happen in your connection. But then again, I feel like nandito pa siya nga sa part na gagawin ko ba? At least nandito pa. Pero pag patak ng June, I feel like nandun na yung mga moves, no? Nakakakita rin ako dito na sinasabi niya marami pang, kumbaga, pag ito nag-move na, gagawa siya ng ah, parang mga bilisang actions, so ibig sabihin madami, actions para maging kayo, parang hindi rin siya papayag na hanggang dito na lang tayo, hindi ako papayag na hanggang usap na lang, no? Comment pala, 11-11 sa comment section kasi to manifest this napakagandang reading. Sabi ko na nga eh, sabi ko na, kasi parang I feel it in the air, I feel it in the ethers, no? Na parang talagang ito ay sa mga zodiac signs na sasabihin ko sa bandang dulo, no? Gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na pag ito napanood niyo to sa TikTok, hindi po yun ang aking um, channel or page dahil hindi ko to ipapalabas sa TikTok. Dito lang po siya sa Facebook. It is exclusive sa Facebook. Alright? Let's check here. Some more cards. Ayan. Ang nakikita ko pa. Kasi yung The Hangman, so far ngayon, medyo sinasabi niya, mag-move pa ako. Ngayon nakakakita ako ng ibang perspective dito sa relationship na ito. Ngayon nakakakita ako ng mga, sabihin natin, mga bagay na hindi ko pa nakita before. Siguro pinapahalagahan ko ngayon itong person ko. With the King of Pentacles, hindi naman siguro to bribe, hindi naman to siguro yung panunuhol na or para bilhin ang sabihin natin pag-oo mo. I feel like there's actually gift doon sa mga magba-birthday. The Two of Cup and the Two of Cup, this is a gift of love. Nakikita niyo naman, sinashuffle ko talaga. Pero it actually leads us, no, dito sa ating napaka gandang reading. Actually, itong love na nafe-feel niya with the King of Cups, kasi nafe-feel niya na to, pero hindi niya pa masyadong ine-express. I feel like the expression of it, dadating between the first, the second week of June, not really the day, but the week. But chances are, ito yung sinasabi nating bridging the gap for you and your person. I'm seeing a lot of harvesting of harmonies, no? The King of Swords, ayan na nga, the Five of Wands, and the Four of Cups. So parang yung iba sa inyo, hindi ko naman nilalahat, yung iba sa inyo, baka kasi nag-entertain ng ibang tao, or feeling ko nagsiselos to. Either nakakita ito ng pictures, or may nakapag-chika sa kanya, no? Na may katabi ka, or may pumuporma na sa'yo. I feel like ipaglalaban niya yung relationship ninyo, at hindi to titigil na hindi ka makuha uli. With the Four of Cups, kasi parang ang sinasabi niya dito, nawalan ka na rin ng gana sa kanya, hindi mo na rin masyadong pinapansin itong relationship niyo. I feel like babawiin ka nito and willing, no? Willing talaga siyang makuha kang muli. So you are going to see efforts, actions from your person. Kung nakaka-resonate kayo at natutuwa sa reading na ito, pwede naman kayo mag-send ng stars. Ayan. So let's check the zodiac signs of your reading. Now, these can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, or baka nandito din kayo. Mas maganda, I'm seeing Pisces, Sagittarius, Leo, Cancer, Taurus, Scorpio, uh, Cancer, Gemini is here, Virgo is here. So, ayan ang iyong reading. Maraming maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste and see you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.